This is Lars. In his company, Lars is responsible for all incoming goods. His job is to log all deliveries in the ERP system as soon as they arrive. Previously, Lars had to walk a long way through the factory to get from the goods receiving department to his office workstation. What if there was a simple way of making this step and many other processes more efficient? By using the versatile installation column from Item, Lars has done exactly that and saves himself and his company time and money every day. Choosing from a wide range of modular components, Lars has configured a compact terminal that is equipped with everything needed to log deliveries straight away. Featuring 2 large cable conduits, the robust installation column profile provides plenty of space for electrical lines, data cables, and compressed air supply lines. The Item installation column can be easily and securely anchored to the ceiling and floor, and is quick and straightforward to expand or reconfigure. The Item installation column is thus ideal as an efficient supply solution in virtually all areas of industry, production, and research. Lars' decision to use the Item installation column has certainly paid off. He already has ideas for how he can use some of the thousands of components in the Item MB building kit system to adapt his terminal even better to the specific requirements of the goods receiving department. That's not a problem with the Item installation column. After all, your ideas are worth it.